Investing in the S&P 500 using eToro is a straightforward process that can help you grow your portfolio over time. To get started, you will first need to create an account on the eToro platform if you haven't done so already. Visit the eToro website, click on the Sign Up button, and follow the prompts to create your account. Ensure that you provide accurate information and verify your identity, as this is an essential step that complies with regulations. Once your account is set up and verified, the next step is to fund your account. eToro offers several methods for funding, including bank transfers, credit cards, and various e-wallets. Choose the option that works best for you and deposit the amount you wish to invest. Remember to review any fees associated with the deposit method you select, as these can vary. After your account is funded, it's time to search for the S&P 500. Use the search bar at the top of the eToro interface and type in S&P 500. You will find various options, including the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, which is one of the most popular ways to invest in the index. Click on the asset to open its profile, where you can view information such as performance charts and historical data. Finally, when you are ready to make your investment, click on the Trade button. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to invest. Once you review the details, click on Open Trade. Congratulations, you have successfully invested in the S&P 500 through eToro. Remember to keep track of your investment and do your research regularly to stay informed about market trends and changes.